kids, welcome to Taste. Today we're going to do some just good old-fashioned hamburgers, quick and simple. You can do this at home. So I got here about a pound and a half of ground beef, and you want to get the 97, well, 93.7. It's 93% lean, really good, won't shrink as much. Now, I know some people don't like to touch meat, so how I mix mine is I take a food storage bag, put the meat in the food storage bag, and just smash it down a little bit. These are really nice quick burgers, and they'll be tasty. This is oatmeal, or you could use breadcrumbs, half a cup, that's good enough. Put that for our egg. And we're going to put half a teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of pepper. And a little bit of onion powder. You can just shake some in if you want. If you don't like onion powder, you don't have to have it. And this, you want to put some steak sauce in it. Your choice of steak sauce makes it really, really good. So we're going to go with 2 tablespoons of steak sauce. And we're going to go with 1 egg. Always in a separate dish with your egg, remember. You never know in case it's spoiled. Or eggshells might drop in there too. We got the grill pan going, so it'll be nice and hot, because you want your pan hot, non-stick. All right, let's get these babies going. I'm going to tie this up with a twist tie. Just going to smoosh it around. You want to mix it up really, really good. And look at that, your hands don't get dirty or greasy. And then what we do is, we're going to put them on a wax paper. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It's pretty mixed up in there. Now I like to use an ice cream scoop. Trusty ice cream scoop. And you want to wet it a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, this should be big enough. Yeah, it's big enough. This way so the burger doesn't stick. You want to get a heaping spoonful. I don't like my burgers really, really thick because I like them to be cooked in the middle. So, on the wax paper, fold the wax paper over and just smush it down a little bit. And just work it out to the edges. And then I use a butter knife. Just kind of work it back. And you want it round, nice size, so it'll fit on the bun. You want it to look a little uniform. Now you want to oversize it a little bit, because they will shrink slightly, but not really, really bad. So I'm going to make a couple more. Put these on the side. Put this over here. And you could add anything you want to your burgers. For your toppings, Hawaiian burgers like Katrina likes, my camera lady. You could take some pineapple slices, saute them in some butter, little pinch of cinnamon, little pinch of clove, make some bacon, right? We had bacon on it? What kind
Brown
of
sugar bacon.
brown sugar bacon, that's right. We added some brown sugar to our bacon. It was turkey bacon, which was amazingly good, which was very, very good, and not as greasy. We like that. And what kind of cheese did we use? Did we put cheese? No cheese. She's shaking her head no. No cheese.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce, that's what it was. We put some barbecue sauce on that. And they were really good. Very plain and simple. If you want different kind of flavorings, you can take taco mix, half a package of taco seasoning, eliminate the steak sauce, of course, eliminate the salt and the pepper. Put the oatmeal and the egg for binding, and put a half a package of taco seasoning. That tastes good. Or if you like flavor like chili, you could do half a package of chili flavoring. Make the burger, throw it on. Cheddar cheese and chili, really good. You can put. It all depends on what you like. If you like, onions, you can put onions or garlic. But I don't know. I'm not too big on putting onions and garlic in my hamburgers because then it tastes more like a meatball. And I like my hamburgers to taste like a hamburger, not a meatball. When I make meatball sandwiches now we're talking. Then we put the onions, the garlic, parsley, basil, all kinds of stuff. A little bit of oregano, Parmesan cheese. But hamburgers, I don't like a lot of stuff in them. I do like a lot of stuff on them, like lettuce, tomato, onion, jalapeno peppers, cheddar cheese with that. That's pretty good. Like that stuff. Relish, mustard. That sounds almost like a kitchen sink burger. Okay, these look pretty good. See, and we barely touched the meat. All right. Over here, the grill should be hot enough. We got a blizzard going on here in Chicago today. They're talking 3-4 inches. I think we're going to have more like 6 to 7 inches. Get that out there. You guys can see that blizzard going on out there? It's like a whiteout. All right, let's get these on the grill. Gonna push wax paper back a little bit. Nice sizzle. Look how nice that came off. I think it's my garbage can. These are gonna smell so good. One last one. Now you don't want to overcrowd them, so I think 3 is plenty. We're not going to make any more for now. We'll make the rest later on. And we're going to finish these up for now, and we'll see you in a few minutes. You want to do 5-6 minutes on each side. So we'll see you in a few.